Good morning, friends. I am Rajendra Kumar from Ark and Friends channel. Most of the friends viewed my credit policy and other things, but please subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel. In future, we are going to come with many videos. Friends, I think for Union Bank friends who are appearing for examination, it is hardly 2 days. But still, don't be panic. Be cool. Just read systematically 2 days. Whatever you read by till date, just revise it, just revision it, then it is sufficient. Even if you get it, it's okay. Otherwise, heavens will not fall down. We can try for next time. Don't be panic. First thing is only you should be cool. While appearing examination also, you should be cool and then read a question paper, each question paper carefully. Nowadays they are giving that out of these four, one is not correct. That means three is correct. That means if you know the subject, then only you can understand it. Okay, whatever it may be cool and don't try to just think the 100 how many times may not be sufficient like that. Slowly go there. If you know the question, first you take it, you put the answer. If you don't know, you can later on we can again attempt it. First you go through one by one. If you know it, first you whatever you know, you just put give the answer. Later you can come back for the not sure about sure questions. Okay, now I don't want to give much material to you. It will be confusing to you because only 2 days are there. Last time I was not well, but still I came with one video. I was not feeling well. This time I am not going to give any material to you, but I would like to tell after verification of the previous question papers, I can just segregate some of the things. I will inform you. You can go through basing on that. It hardly for each point it may be 1 minute for you. I think 48 hours means so much time is there. You can again through even Google also, you can search in Google also, you will get the answers. Government schemes. Generally some points are coming under government schemes. What are the government schemes? I think you know very well. Stand Up India, CGTMSC, Mudra, National Skill Development Corporation, NRLM, PMJGBY, Jivan Jyoti Bima Yojana, PMJDY. PMJDY is also one of the important. Don't underestimate it. PMSBY, APY, Atal Pension Yojana, and PMEGP. Always one question is coming from the PMGP whether collateral security is required or not. NULM, NRLM, PMFBT, even 59 minutes portal also, this MSME. Even you see, I am telling the government sponsor schemes, government schemes, you should read one by one. It will hardly take 1 minute. You see, search for the government schemes and go through it, which are linked to the bank. Then statutory bodies. Bank is linked with some statutory bodies. What are some statutory bodies? RTI, Right to Information Act. This is one area where every time we are getting one question. BCSBI, this is one more area we are getting it. And Basel Committee. Basel Committee is a little bit difficult, but still from 3 to 4 you may get 1 or 2 questions. Basel 1, Basel 2, Basel 3. This I think we have not dealt, but please go through it. Ombudsman also we are getting 1 question. And various committees, DRT, DRAT, even NCLT. For NCLT and DRT, DRAT 2 to 3 and 3 to 4 also is important. Then SIDB, NABARD, Lead Bank, like this. First I told you government schemes, then I told you statutory bodies, which I didn't mention also, you can just go through it, statutory bodies, acts, RBI Act, Banking Regulation Act, Company Act, Surface Act, NI Act, like this some acts also you have to verify it. NI Act for I think 1 to 2 NI Act is important, checks and banking, casual banking, customer relationship and charges, mortgage, pledge, like this 1 to 2 is important, but 2 to 3 and 3 to 4 everything is important. Then banking 1 by 1, agriculture sector. What are the agriculture sector? What are the products? Agri clinic, crop loan means KCC also, and tractor loans, warehouse receipts, KCC to dairy units is a new product, KCC to dairy units and fisheries, and indirect finance, PMFBY is insurance. These are important. Then priority sector. Priority sector guidelines also you should know about it. What are the priority sector guidelines? Of course, agriculture also comes under priority sectors. It is 18% we have to give. And MSME. Now MSME not only classification, MSME how the investments will calculate, how the turnover will calculate. That is also important for you. If you just simply see the basic norms, classification, how the classic norms micro, medium, and small. Micro, small, and medium. If you know all these things, it may be 1 to 2 is okay. But 2 to 3, 3 to 4, how the turnover will be calculated, how the investment will be calculated, also should see it. Then various charges, mortgage, pledge, hypothecation, lien, etc. All various charges you should know about the various charges also. Then various ratios, financial ratios, current ratio, debt equity ratio, TOL by TNW, and DSCR. These 4 are very important ratios. Others also you should see it. Then when we are telling about the charges, that CERSAI also, our register of companies, that's within 1 month we have to note down our charge in the ROC. That is also important. Then consortium advances, the guidelines for the consortium advances. The balance sheet problems, I told you last time, balance sheet problems at least 1 or 2, and drawing power problems also 1 or 2. I think at least 2-3 problems on the balance sheet and working capital and drawing power. These you may get it. You please go through the problems, very simple problems they are getting. Then foreign exchange, the FEMA guidelines and exports, and even for 1 to 2 and 2 to 3 also, NRI guidelines, FCNR accounts, NRO accounts, bill of lading, and pre-shipment credit and post-shipment credit. These are related to foreign exchange. Even liberalized remittance scheme also you should know about it. Then the other aspects, MCLR, how the MCLR, what is the components of the MCLR, and DRI, and Limitation Act. These 1 or 2 questions I have seen in the previous second. Then NPA guidelines. NPA guidelines you will be able to know. I think SMA is 0, SMA 1, SMA 2, and then NPA. Then SARFAESI Act. SARFAESI is most important for NPA guidelines, and similarly DRT, DRAT, and NCLT. These are all comes under NPA. Then willful defaulters. Who are the willful defaulters? More than 25 lakhs only we can declare them as willful defaulters. Why they are willful defaulters? That's simple. Only 1 minute job. Red flag accounts. These also I have seen once it has come. Red flag account. Red flag account only 50 crore and above. Then risk criteria for various advances. These also one just like problem they are giving. Housing loan is having this much risk. How much bank has to keep the capital adequacy? Capital. How much capital is required for? Like that. That is also one problem I have seen it. The other matters. These also I think miscellaneous matters we can think about it. Claims. Credit card. Credit card I have seen 2-3 times they have mentioned that spend now, pay later. This is a simple question. I think it's maybe 1 to 2. That is credit card. Collection of checks. This is also 1 to 2 most probably. NI Act. Collection of who are responsible for this thing. NI Act section 138, section 25 both are important. And LCs. LCs also you are getting one question. BGs. Either LCs or BGs we are getting one question. Then NEFT and RTGS especially 1 to 2. And ATM penalty on ATM problems, ATM debits especially. I have seen penalty on ATM debits, how much penalty is charged within how many days it has to be paid back. Then stock audit. Stock audit should be conducted only 3 crores and above accounts. Then valuation guidelines. Valuation guidelines you have to see. And legal opinion guidelines also, legal vetting also, legal audit also you have to see. And power of attorney, general power of attorney, special power of attorney. Nominations also, I think 1 to 2, they may get nomination. Basing on the nomination 1 or 2 questions, even 2 to 3 also they may get it. Lockers also one of the important point. You are getting it. I have seen previously also when I was long back, when I was attending for 3 to 4 also I got the 1 or 2 questions on lockers. CIBIL and whether only CIBIL is the organization, information organization, other organizations, Equifax and other. TAT period also, turnaround time. I think our bank has given turnaround time for retail credit and other credits also. If possible, you please see once actually, it won't take much time. What is the TAT period? Then trust areas, I told last time also, trust areas also, there was a question last time. And low priority area also there is a question. Prohibited area also there was a question. Please see those things. And TDS, based on the TDS also, there may be a question. And TDS guidelines are being changed now. ASBI account. This is also important. For applying shares, ASBI account is important. That is also one question are coming. Then partnership, limited liability partnership. Partnership problems also they are giving. Based on the partnership, this thing. You should know about the partnership totally. And then company. Company also they are asking what they are giving some just like problem. Whether they have to see the memorandum of association or articles of association or certificate of incorporation or resolution of the directors. One I have seen the one question. The question is like that. The availing the limits from the bank, which is required. I think board resolution is required. Okay. The powers, articles of association, that you should know about it. Then KYC guidelines. KYC guidelines, I think perhaps everybody is reading about it. PML guidelines is also important. Takeover norms also important. Takeover norms also, you should read the takeover norms. And fake note, for 1 to 2 I have seen fake note guidelines also. Generally fake note means people will think that we will return to the customer. No, we should not return to the customer. There's guidelines, you please read it. Hardly it will take 1 minute. Oh. Only 4-5 notes. If you receive, then only police complaint. We should go to the police complaints. Till that time we should seize that note. Then repo rate and reverse repo rate, securities, government securities, and 15G and 15H also for 1 to 2 also. When we will take the 15G and 15H, and RuPay card and NPCI also. RuPay card and NPCI. RuPay card is our own card. Visa card and MasterCard are not our own card, Indian card. RuPay card is introduced by NPCI. Some of the banks put together, they made NPCI. Just time is not there, I am not able to explain everything. Certificate of deposit is one of the area they are asking. Then for scale 3 to 4, credit policy, I told you credit policy, actually most of the credit policies, whatever I dealt is useful to 2 to 3, 3 to 4. Credit policy is important and monitoring policy also important. Monitoring is, I told you, valuation and stock audit and legal audit, and these are SMA all, SMA 0, SMA 1, SMA 2, these are all comes under monitoring. Even red flag accounts also, fraud accounts also, these are all come under monitoring. Then credit policy I told you already. The policy of risk management also, I told risk weights and other things, risk management also. There are some guidelines, if any guidelines are there, you just read little bit, you just thoroughly, you just simply read it. And recovery policy is also very important. Recovery guidelines important. SARFAESI I told you, SARFAESI, DRT, DRIT, these are all important for the scale 3. Once again my dear friends, I am not taking your valuable time, I am just telling you only thing is, please read the question paper carefully. If you have some tension, then automatically you may know the answer, but you may take wrong this one. You may put wrong answer. That's why read the question carefully and take little bit time. Okay, even if you miss the unknown questions which are not known to you, that's okay. 10-20 bits, perhaps you are not sure about it. If you know the 80 questions or 60 questions, that 60 questions is pakka, that is better for you. Instead of trying to answer all the 100 questions. All the best. Go to your examination center little bit early, because many people in the one area, it will take minimum half an hour just to go there and sit there. Don't go just 15 minutes before like that. At least 1 hour before, go to the examination center, settle there, relax, happily relax there, and then answer it. I think I wish you all the best. Even if you won't go through the examination also, nothing is going to happen to you. Next time you will go for it. Our job will be safe and we are safe. Only promotion. Next time we'll get it. You're all young kids. You have so much time. Don't worry. All the best. God bless you.